Good evening, students. I'm going to introduce two courses today, as Dr. Nalin said. First is 3346, and it is offered in first year, first semester, and the other one is EEI3347, which is offered in second semester and advanced course of this first semester course, right? You can see the basic information of this course. It's a level 3 and course code is 346 and credit value is 3. Now at the point you must have the idea about what is credit value and all, and it is a compulsory one and no prerequisite needed, right? So course objective. Course objective is to develop simple web applications using fundamental concepts, technologies, and techniques. So at the end of this course, you may be able to. So the main objective of this course is to help students understand how web applications are designed and developed. So students will learn core technologies used in web development. By the end of this course, students, you will be able to create your simple but structured and functional web applications. Here we are mostly focusing the front-end technologies. So the course builds a strong foundation for advanced web technologies, which is offered in the second semester, right? So course learning outcomes. The course consists of 5 key learning outcomes. First, students learn how to structure and design web pages using HTML and CSS. Second, they learn how to make websites interactive, interactive websites using JavaScript. Third, students understand validation techniques to ensure data accuracy and security. And in the fourth, students will explore modern tools and industry best practices. Finally, students will be introduced to current security concerns in client-side web development, right? So the module content overview, this course is divided into 2 major units, you can see. So unit 1 focuses on core web design and programming fundamentals. Here students learn markup languages, styling techniques, and client-side scripting. Unit 2 focuses mainly on practical web development concepts such as development tools, e-commerce applications, and industry trends. So security also emphasized here as an important component of modern web applications. So that is about module content. Next is the general course information. It is students should allocate approximately 150 hours to complete this course successfully. You know what is 150? Because normally we say you must spend at least 50 hours for a credit. Since this is a 3-credit course, we expect you to spend at least 350 hours to study this course and related material in order to get the pass grade at the end of the semester, right? So all students will be assigned to groups in order to make the close monitoring, and practical exercises and lab sessions are essential components of this course. So, and this is the order of the activities we deliver during the semester. So normally day school and practical sessions will be held together. After every day schools, we will have the lab test. So likewise, we will have 5 day schools and 5 lab tests. And in between, we will be given the mini project. And after end of the semester or after lab test 5, we will have the mini project viva. Don't worry about the schedules and dates and everything. Once you get registered and become a registered student, we will share the activity diary so you can follow the activity diary. And the mini project, I should talk about the mini project now. Actually, mini project is a critical component here. So normally you can see after the day school 2, normally I give the mini project. So you can start work on it at the beginning. So you can apply the knowledges after which is you are going to gain after day school. So you can apply those knowledges and you can slowly or gradually work on the mini project. Finally, we will have the Viva. So please keep it in mind, even if you submit the mini project successfully, if you are not like attending the Viva, you will not get the pass mark for the mini project, right? So you should be ready to demonstrate your work as well. So that is about the course information. Here, the important part is here, OCAM calculation. So here you can see, as I told you, we have laboratory work, that is lab test, mini project, and continuous assessment. Here we say CAT, C-A-T. Right, so this is how the marks is distributing for the eligibility. We are getting 40% from mini project and 30% from lab test and 30% from CAT, right? So altogether it brings 100 marks. So, and other, so eligibility requirement is to sit for the final exam, you must score at least 40 marks. Here you can see at least 40 marks, and plus you have to get at least 40 marks in the mini project as well. So it will calculate it separately, right? Score at least 40 marks from the total eligibility marks and score at least 40 from the mini project separately. So if this calculation satisfies only, you will get the eligibility to do the final written test. Right? So it is going to be a 3 hours written test. You have to go to your registered center to do the test. And the final marks will be given like this. So 50% is from your OCAM calculation and 50% is from your final written test collected. And if your marks is greater than or equal to 40, you will get the pass grade, right? So you should be clearly understand about this OCAM calculation, and now you know the mini project is the critical component. You can't miss the mini project submission and Viva, right? Okay, next is about the course activities and submission deadlines. As a lot of other lecturers also explained about this, I'm telling it very briefly. So normally all activities follow the day activity schedules, which we will be distributed after you registered. And students should carefully check the learning management system, that means LMS, for deadlines and other announcements. Late submissions may negatively affect eligibility and grading. Obviously, when you check your assignments and other activities in the LMS, please go and check the due date as well, not only date, the time also. As you know, in the LMS, we set the time and date and time. So it will be, the Dropbox will be closed automatically. So we can't just open for just for a one student or for some other matters. So you should be ready to upload your answers and assignments on time, right? And the pass rate actually indicates the importance of consistent participation and preparation. You should actually access all the activities. Normally after every day schools, we give quizzes. So we are checking the attendance and percentage also. You must attend those things. And proper time management is also crucial for the success in this course. So since we upload the recordings and other materials in the LMS, you may think that you can read it or listen it later or leisurely just before the exam. But before the exam, you will have 5 day school recordings and other courses recordings as well. So you won't be able to complete the courses. So please manage your time and study from the first day itself, right? So this is the course statistics and eligibility of the last year. So total students registered 483 and eligible students 301. Final examination candidates 288 and pass count is 254. So the pass percentage is 88. So this may change, but so you can see the pass registered students and the pass percentage and eligible percentage as well. So if whenever the eligibility is reducing, means that you are not meeting the deadlines and not doing your work properly on time. So that is the reason. So please keep that in mind and start working properly. And common reasons for ineligibility. Students commonly fail to obtain eligibility due to various reasons. Many students like regularly checking announcement is extremely important. Practical exercises help build technical skills. Academic integrity must always be maintained. Also, students must dedicate sufficient study time according to the credit requirement. That is a very important thing. And also important guidelines for success. You can read this. Prepare before attending day school is important because other things I have already told. Normally, we upload all the day school materials and previous recordings into LMS. So you can go through the materials and recordings and come to the day school. So it will be easy for you and for us to do the interactive session, right? So that is about the course EEI3346. Now I think we can have a quick look of the LMS, the last year LMS or model classroom for the course EEI3346. Normally you can see the welcome message at the top and you can see the contact details here and course communication. Whatever you needed for the course communication will be available here. So as normally you are checking your announcement in the Open Learn, here also you can see the announcements. And here we have a forum, wanted help given. So if you have any issues, you can write it here rather than writing a personal email to me, because if you write here, others also can see, and if they have the same issues, then you while checking our answers, they can also understand, right? So and other information will be posted here, like center choice for the online exam and other things, and activity diary will be displayed here. Also, we will be posting the activity diary in the website as well. And you can here see other sections, course overview. Here you can see the recommended textbooks and a lesson plan for the year, syllabus, and whatever the things related to course will be posted here. And this is how we will arrange your day school and other materials. So here I have arranged things according to the week. So the first week, for example, you can see under the first week, I posted day school 1 videos, separate videos, so you can watch it or listen before coming to the day school. So likewise, here you can see you can see other activities as well. Lab test. So I have a separate section for lab test. So when you click here, you can see lab test details, submissions and everything, and mini project. So here you can see the mini project question and submission, everything. So in case if you see a announcement related to mini project, so you must know you can find the mini project question under the mini project section in the LMS. So that's how you work with LMS, right? So this is regarding the mini project, and some other sections is also here. So I have posted the mini project links, Viva links here, so it will be easy for students to check. And there are other sections as well. Online quiz, workshop. Normally we conduct workshop for students with industry experts. So you can find the workshop resources here, and recordings, grades and eligibility. Normally we display the eligibility under this section. So this is how you are going to work with LMS. And past papers, grouping details, everything will be here, right? So that's all about the course of